What is demonstrative adjective? Demonstrative adjective are those words which refers or point out a special person or a special things. As for example, that boy is very tall. You are pointing towards the particular boy. That boy is very tall. The word that is demonstrative adjective. Right? These books are mine. The word these is demonstrative adjective. Those books are very interesting. The word those, it is demonstrative adjective, right? Next, interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective when words like what, which, where are used to ask question, they are called interrogative adjective. As for example, what happened to them? The word is the most interrogative adjective. Whose house is this? Whose? The word whose. It is interrogative adjective. Which book is yours? Which book is yours? The word which is interrogative adjective. Right? I think it is not very difficult to understand, but you have to listen a complete video, complete lesson about adjective. Right? Thank you very much. I wish you good luck.